Hello, my name is Anthony. Welcome to the channel. This is going to be a brief synopsis on how to reset the oil service reminder on 2020 Ford EcoSport. We're inside the vehicle interior. You're going to have the key inside with you. First step is to go ahead and power on the car by pushing the start-stop button one time. And you can go ahead and hit OK to clear through the menus. And then you'll be on a menu like this where you can scroll up and down between various features. You're going to want to go to the section that has the gears in it. And then on the steering wheel, you're going to hit this button that's on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, but the right side of the keypad. And that'll bring up this menu where you'll scroll through it. And you're going to want to go to Information, Oil Life, and then reset oil life by holding OK. And it'll say oil reset to 100%. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe for more content, and we'll see you on the next one.